Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to polish and restore vehicle glass. To demonstrate, I will be using this windshield. To help increase visibility at day and night, get rid of most of the swirl marks, water spots, have smooth wipe operation and overall clean the windscreen. So without delay, let's get started with today's project. For our project today, we are going to use AutoGlym's glass polish. Special thanks goes to Alliance Autocare, the sole authorized distributor for AutoGlym in Sri Lanka, for sending us the polish and supporting the video. You can check their high quality Autocare products online at autoglym.lk or visit their store at Rosmead Place, Colombo 7. If you are outside Sri Lanka, check out your local AutoGlyms distributor. All the links for AutoGlyms Sri Lanka are in the description below. You can go check them out. Few other things you need is a clay bar, some microfiber towels, masking tape to mask the edges, and in this case to show before and after, some car wash in a spraying bottle to use as clay lubricant when cleaning the windscreen, and you also need some water and soapy water with a washing mitt to clean the glasses. Also a polishing machine, which is optional. I will be showing you both the methods in this video. Before starting, remember to wear a pair of gloves, safety glasses and a mask. Step 1 is preparing the glass for polishing. First we need to make sure the glass is clean. For this, you can wash the whole car, or if it's washed, you can go ahead and clean the windscreen once more with some soapy water and make sure all the dirt on the windscreen are removed. After that, we will proceed with the claying process. Now that we have finished washing the windscreen, we can move on to the claying process to get any contaminants embedded in the glass. You can see how rough the surface is before and after the claying process. Make sure the clay bar is well lubricated throughout this process, using soapy water in this case or a dedicated clay lubricant to make sure it does not run rough on the windscreen. Once you see contaminants on the clay bar, make sure to fold it and turn it into a new surface to clear the rest of the windscreen, and repeat the process. Now after claying, you should feel a very smooth surface to the hand, and also the roughness sound should disappear. After preparing the windscreen, now let's dry the windscreen off and move to the polishing stage. We can now polish the glass. For fast and better results, using a polishing machine is recommended. But if not, you can use a microfiber towel and manually polish as well. This may take a while, which you can still get good results. I'm going to show you both the methods, and we will also divide the windscreen to see before and after comparisons. To polish using the machine polish or hand, you need to shake the bottle well, apply around 4 dots on the polishing pad for machine polishing, and polish the windscreen. You can apply medium pressure and increase pressure on stubborn marks on the windscreen. Now using a clean microfiber towel, you can buff off the remaining polish from the windscreen to reveal the results. You can see the gloss on the polished side and it feels very smooth to the touch. Right side you can see is the before, and left side to the screen is the after polishing with the machine. And you can see the gloss difference here, as well as for the touch it feels very smooth, which will definitely help when the wipers are operating as well, to get rid of any squeaking noises as well. The product has done noticeable good difference to the windscreen, and these marks you see, they are from the inside of the windscreen, which will later be polished. The good thing about this product is you can use it both inside and outside the vehicle glasses. So I'm excited to show you the end result after polishing the whole vehicle, and next I will also demonstrate how to manually polish the windscreen and get good results as well. To polish it manually, shake the bottle again and apply a few drops onto a microfiber towel, and then work your way through the glass at circular motions, and again increase pressure on stubborn marks. You should continue the process until a light haze is being created on the windscreen, and then buff off using a clean microfiber towel to reveal the results. You can now see that hand polishing has also brought very similar results, and both the surface feels very smooth to the touch. From the inside, there is a noticeable difference in the clarity before and after using the polish. I'm not sure whether the camera is exactly catching it, but there is a noticeable difference. The right side is before polishing, and the left side, both panels have been polished, the bottom by machine and top by hand. As I mentioned earlier, you can also polish the inside of these glasses using the same polish. So off the camera, I have polished all the glasses in this vehicle. You can see the gloss in this windshield, and all the windows have been also polished using AutoGlym's glass polish. You can see that gloss, and also all the glasses are very smooth to the touch. Here are the results, and they are just amazing. The spots you see in this rear screen are just water. They just need to be wiped off. So there you see the results. That's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure to try it out in your vehicle as well. And also check out AutoGlym's collection. All the links and information are given in the description below. They got some amazing collection to protect your vehicle bumper to bumper. Thank you guys, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and press the bell icon to get notifications. Also give us a thumbs up if you like this video. See you in the next one.